Tired of that Hailuo AI video haunting your account? Let's get rid of it painlessly. First, open the Hailuo AI app and tap on your profile icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account page. Next, look for a settings or gear icon. It might say settings directly, or use a symbol. Tap on that to access your account settings. Now, scroll through the settings menu. You are looking for an option related to video management, content management, or My Creations. The exact wording might vary slightly. In the video management section, you should see a list of all your uploaded Hailuo AI videos. Find the video you want to delete and look for a delete button or trash can icon next to it. Tap the delete button. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete the video. Confirm your decision. And that's it. The video should now be removed from your Hailuo AI account. If you don't see the delete option, check if the video is still processing. If problems persist, contact Hailuo AI support.